Are you on the hunt for an efficient and effective form of exercise? Well, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, might just be your answer. This popular workout involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or low-intensity recovery. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a HIIT workout. First things first, choose your exercises. You want to select exercises that target major muscle groups and can be performed at high intensity. Think jumping jacks, burpees, squats, lunges, push-ups, mountain climbers, and high knees. Next, warm up. Kick off your workout with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up to prepare your muscles and cardiovascular system for the intense exercise to come. Light cardio exercises such as jogging in place, jumping jacks, or dynamic stretches are all great choices. Now set your interval timer. You can use an interval timer or stopwatch to time your intervals. HIIT workouts typically consist of short bursts of exercise, say 20 to 60 seconds, followed by equally short periods of rest or active recovery. For example, 10 to 30 seconds. Start with a work-to-rest ratio that suits your fitness level and gradually increase intensity as you progress. Ready, set, go. Start your first work interval by performing the chosen exercise at maximum intensity for the specified duration. Remember to focus on maintaining good form and exerting maximum effort during each interval. After completing the work interval, take a brief rest or engage in low-intensity active recovery. This allows your heart rate to lower slightly before the next work interval and helps prevent fatigue. Now repeat the cycle. Continue alternating between work intervals and rest or recovery periods for the desired number of rounds or total workout duration. As you gain fitness and endurance, you can increase the number of intervals or decrease rest periods to make the workout more challenging. Once you've completed your final work interval, take a few minutes to cool down and gradually lower your heart rate. Light cardio exercises, such as walking or jogging in place, followed by static stretches targeting major muscle groups, will do the trick. Don't forget to hydrate and refuel. Drink plenty of water throughout your workout to stay hydrated, especially during intense intervals. After the workout, refuel your body with a balanced post-workout meal or snack containing carbohydrates and protein to support muscle recovery and replenish energy stores. To keep track of your progress, jot down details of your workouts, including the exercises performed, work-to-rest ratios, and any modifications or adjustments made. Monitoring your progress over time can help you gauge improvements in fitness and performance. And finally, listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals during the workout and adjust the intensity or duration of intervals as needed. If you experience pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and consult with a healthcare professional. By following these steps and gradually increasing the intensity and duration of your HIIT workouts, you can reap the many benefits of this efficient and time-effective form of exercise, including improved cardiovascular fitness, fat loss, and overall strength and endurance. So why wait? Get started on your HIIT journey today.